Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you these two products that I have purchased by my own. Trust me, this video is not sponsored at all. If you guys haven't watched my previous video, which is like about Asta Berry wine facial, if you haven't watched it yet, I'm gonna link it here, you can check. So Asta Berry is there with one more brand, which is this Namya, and I tried their wine facial kit, which was sent to me by the brand only, and I loved the results. You have seen that like everything was in real time, so I thought of why not try some other product as well. So I was really in need of a lip scrub, but then I saw they have lip serum as well, so I ordered these two products, and also what I like about them and what I do not like about them. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so if you can see these chunky glitters on my face, it is like I have just finished filming a video for Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, then please do. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen. Alright, so now the first product that I have with me is this Namya lip scrub, and this is how it looks like. So now the product is 15 gram and this retails for rupees 240 only, which is like quite affordable. So the pricing point is like I'm satisfied with that. Now its ingredients: sugar, sweet almond oil, coconut, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, glycerin, vitamin E. So like all these ingredients are highly moisturizing, and sugar, you know, it is like a great exfoliator. Now Namya organic lip scrub gently exfoliates and rehydrate with avocado oil, jojoba oil, coconut and sugar, leaving your delicate lips smooth, soft and very tempting. And you need a very little amount of this product. So I'm gonna just dunk my finger into this and take this product like this, and I'm just gonna start scrubbing. The fragrance is really good, like you want to eat it. The fragrance is like that, and I'm just gonna move my finger gently on my lips like in circular motion. Now lip scrub cleanses lips to enhance the proper shade of lip color and is ideal for makeup. It gives healthier lips naturally. Lip scrubs wash off chapped skin from the lips, stimulating the growth of fresh skin cells, making them soft, smooth. Exfoliating and cleansing your lips on weekly basis will keep your lips soft and retain its moisture, keeping cracks away. And also if you have pigmented lips, it will help to get rid of that. So you have seen the results. It instantly turns your lips pink, and I have been using this product for like 2 weeks now, and I'm not like regularly using this product. It's like I do it whenever I get time, but basically 3 times a week I do this, and yes, it has given me results. It really helps in removing the pigmentation from your lips, and it turns them like rosy pink and also very smooth. It gives a little tingling sensation and it plumps your lips, which you can see like they are looking a bit fuller. So I really love this. So yes, no cons for this product, pros and pros and pros only. Also what I love about this lip scrub is like I have used 2 or 3 lip scrubs, and I have used one which was like just an exfoliator, which has like very minute beads, and it was like a powdery texture. And this one, this is like some lip balm kind of thing, if you can see closely. Lip balm with exfoliator. So yes, there are 2 kind of exfoliators available in the market. One is this kind of exfoliator, which is the lip balm plus exfoliator. This helps to hydrate your lips and exfoliates as well. And the second category is just the exfoliator, which is like some powdery texture, and you have to rub it on your lips. I generally don't prefer such kind of exfoliators because it rips the skin of your lips apart. So yes, I would highly recommend this product. It is amazing. So now when my lips are nicely exfoliated, I need something on my lips like a lip balm or a lip serum. So I have this product again with me, which is a lip serum. So I really like the fact that they have this tube kind of packaging, which is like quite hygienic to use. When you have to dunk your finger, I don't feel it as hygienic, but this is what I feel with the lip scrub as well. Now this product retails for rupees 240 again, and the quantity is really good as compared to the price. Now this is the advanced brightening therapy. It lightens dark lips, it repairs and restores damaged lips, it brightens and even out the skin, it moisturizes and heals chapped lips, and it is 100% natural. It even repairs damage caused to lips because of cosmetics. And let me show you the texture of this product. I thought it would be some oil kind of serum, but this is like a thick cream. So it is as thick as BoroPlus and Boroline. I'm gonna take this much amount, like very little. So as your skin needs the moisturizer, your lips also need that, and the lipstick application becomes so flawless when you moisturize your lips. So yes, I really love it, but there are 2 or 3 cons that I feel about this product. So I am like kind of 50-50 about this product. First, it doesn't hydrate for a long time, like it remains for about half an hour or an hour, that's it, and it is quite thick, so it will feel like you have something on your lip. The fragrance is kind of strong, but yes, it do protects your lips from the direct contact to the lipstick, like it is kind of thick layer on the lips. So that is why I like this product. So it is like somewhere in between. So that's it with this video, and let me give you a closer look so that you can see what difference does it make to my lips. I have nothing on my lips except this lip scrub and the lip serum, no other thing. So that's it with this video, and if you guys have any other recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below about these products and the link to buy these products. Do not forget to check my description box, and I will see you in my next video.